And we're bracing ourselves for not just prolonged warmer temperatures this weekend, but an increased humidity. Our ABC 10 News reporter Leah Pizzetti shows us how this change in the weather could create the potential for dangerous conditions.
While places like the South or East Coast are used to a more humid heat, we as Californians are used to a dry heat. So when we start to see that humidity rise, especially for multiple days straight, it's important to know that our bodies are not adjusted. And that's when those health concerns start to come in. As highs climb into the 80s and 90s through the next few days, humidity is climbing as well, changing what the temperature feels like. For example, 90 degrees with 60% humidity feels like 100 degrees. 100 degrees with 60% humidity feels like 129 degrees, a dangerous place to be. And if you're curious about your specific neighborhood, the National Weather Service has this experimental heat risk website. It's color-coded to show the category of the severity. You can click into your neighborhood. You can also click through the next few days to see how it progresses. You can see Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. This humidity has an impact on overnight lows as well. Moisture in the air overnight means less cooling.
It is in many cases a dangerous situation because of the lack of relief in the nighttime.
Scripps Institution of Oceanography climate researcher Dan Cahan says overnight lows won't be as cool, a trend they've been tracking for years.
We're sort of used to the coastal air conditioning.
He and his team discovered heat waves are becoming more common, more humid, staying warmer at night, and lasting longer, a trend that's likely to continue.
Our climate will warm just in general over the next several decades.
And a trend to be prepared for because the next week will be a warm one. Leah Pizzetti, ABC 10 News.
Angelica's been talking about that. We know this heat will be prolonged through the next week, so be sure to prepare and find ways to try and stay cool, like making sure that your air conditioning is working.